Alright, this is Shay Buller with Best Choice Roofing. We're about to attempt a repair test. You can see we have a wind damage shingle a wind damage shingle here that the adjuster just marked. So we're going to replace this one to see if we can properly repair this roof without causing additional damage. It is an old roof, so let's just see what happens. You can see here where it's already starting to tear just from trying to unloosen the shingle, and it did cause a tear. You see there on both sides. That was already just from trying to loosen it. Alright, so we got this one loose. Now we just got to get these loose up here. You can see there, it's already starting to tear. I'm trying to do this repair. You can see right over here real quick where it caused a tear there during just unsealing the shingle. Also, going to be a very good chance there's a lot of mat transfer underneath these, probably. There's definitely some over here. I'll show you a little close up of the mat transfer. See that mat transfer there? Don't see any more on these, but there's definitely a lot over here on this side. Alright, now we gotta loosen this top one up here. You can see here, definitely tore the shingle here. I'm trying to unseal the shingle. You see it tore there. Gonna be some serious mat transfer right here. Being as gentle as I can be with it, and it's just tearing even worse. As you can see, just completely demolishing the shingle, and it is tearing a lot more here. Another tear there. It's just completely demolishing the shingle here on this tab. Trying to be as gentle as I could be with this. There's only so much you can do when you have a roof that is this old. Alright, just got that loose.
We don't want to waste money to save money, and that's
Let's see. There's definitely going to be a lot of mat transfer there as well. Mat transfer here. I'll let you take a look at that. You see all that mat transfer there. Pretty serious damages already. You can see that this right here is already starting to pop loose. It hasn't popped loose completely, but it's getting close. Alrighty, so now we just got to remove these nails. You can see also it caused a much bigger hole in the nail hole from trying to remove it, which means we're going to have to move over to put the nail in instead of putting it in the same place, which is going to cause additional holes. I'm sure that's going to do it up here as well. Alright, you can see here already creased. You come up a little closer where you can see it. Already creasing, it's already starting there. That nail went straight through this one too, which means we're going to have to put this nail in a different spot.
And as you know, I'm willing to do whatever. I just
Another really big hole caused. Just let's show you a little close up here. You can see where it caused a much bigger hole there from.
I'm sure that's probably a lot of the
As you can see, much bigger hole. Much bigger hole caused over here too.
Yep.
It's gonna do that on all these shingles up here. This nail came straight through the shingle too. I'm trying to remove it. Just want to show you something right here on this shingle. It tore even more just from lifting it just a tad, just to get underneath there to remove the nails. Out. Caused a much bigger tear and hole there too as well. Also want to show you this part. A much bigger tear right here for the nail. You can see that. Also, as you can see there, it just tore just from me lifting a little bit to try to show you where this nail's at. Trying to show you that you can see that this nail is 100% flushed. It's not too overdriven. We got all the nails now. Some over here. See right there? It's just tore, and I barely lifted it. Only lifted it this high, and it completely tore there. Two more nails here. See right underneath there where it tore a hole, a lot much bigger hole there. The nails at. Causing more harm than we are helping this roof, trying to repair it. It's impossible to properly repair this roof without causing much additional damage. So alrighty. I think that's all the nails, I believe. You'll see the amount of grain losses came off. This is also Temco Tuscaloosa. More than likely, there's a very high chance that it discontinues. So, now we just got to replace it with a new shingle. as you can see, it overlaps the shingle here. And so now I've got to remove this nail in order to put the shingle in correctly. And you can see this one right here just keeps tearing and tearing and tearing just from trying to remove nails. I went straight through. Alright.
You know, as long as we can get them happy, then
Okay.
then we're good. You know.
Alright, now we can see if we can fit in there. Alrighty.
Yeah, and I definitely
Big
think
shingle in
that
there.
throw my name in there with it. You know, that we both appreciate it. Yeah, our interaction is total.
Alright.
Because I never really heard anything back. Yeah. Okay.
Just want to show you a close up real quick. Just from nailing that nail back down, you can see how much more of a tear it caused. And as gentle as I could possibly be with these shingles. See, also another additional tear was caused there. Definitely a lot of creasing caused, a lot of tears. You can see there, huge cut tear caused.
Smashed his finger.
Just got done doing this repair test. Just want to show you a couple of reminders of some of the damages that were caused. You can see this tear here, tear there. A lot of damages here. Serious mat transfer. There's a chip there. A lot of creasing, as you can see. Pretty serious creasing there. Also a tear here, a tear there. There's a tear here that was caused, tear there. And most of this, well, really all of this tearing was caused just from removing the nails, except for this one. That was from putting the nail back in. This one tore even more from putting the nail back in. So pretty serious damages. BCR out.